Hello viewers, I am an engineer Ayaz Ahmad. My today's video will be about coaxial cables. The question is, why coaxial cables are highly insulated? Well, the answer is to prevent the leakage of signals and prevent signals from the surrounding and to avoid them entering inside of the cables. So mostly these cables are included in internet services and TV cables. So the insulation depends upon the temperature and moisture. The resistance will be decreases in temperature or moisture. So in these cables they have used also high mechanical strength. So high mechanical strength is used there to withstand the mechanical handling of the cables. Thank you so much, viewers.